Alright, so what's going on, everybody? Once again, Tech King Mike back again, and today I'm going to tell you guys about my Canon SL3 that I picked up about maybe 3 weeks ago, and I've been using this camera to take some photos here and there, but I've also used this camera primarily for shooting on the channel. Now, what I purchased was not just the body. I got the camera and it came with this 18 by 55 millimeter lens, and I've just pretty much been using this thing straight out of the box, standard like it comes. It does come with a battery and a wall charger for the battery. I like the fact that it's not like the old Canon I was using where you just kind of plug it straight up to the wall. I do think it's really dope, and I really enjoyed that. So some things about this camera that I'll say. First and foremost, I love this touchscreen. Now, I'm going to cut the camera on so you guys can see for yourself. This touchscreen is legit. The fact that I can literally just tap for the autofocus, which was one of the bigger reasons why I wanted to move from the T3i that I was using, is amazing. I love the fact that the camera has like so many intuitive features, and it's so simple to use and so easy to understand. You got your autofocus mode, you got your portrait mode, manual mode, so many different modes on this camera that are just really amazing. But the thing that I love about it the most is that for the price, this camera costs about $550 to $650, and that's just for the body, depending on where you get it. I was able to snag this on a deal. No cap. I got this thing from QVC for $600, and that came with the lens. So to me, bomb deal, not complaining at all. So main thing about this camera that I love and enjoy the most, I know I say love a lot, I don't know why I keep saying I love it, but maybe it's because I do. But the thing about this camera that stands out to me the most is that this is a camera that I feel like I can see myself genuinely learning with. You know, we have all these smartphones, we have our Galaxy S10 Pluses, we have our iPhones, we have our Notes that's recording this video. We have all these different devices that we can use to shoot video in our pocket. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, there's nothing like a point and shoot digital camera. There's nothing like just whipping this thing out and taking some quality photos, snapping some pictures. It's amazing. Looking through that viewfinder and taking a photo is an experience and a feeling that I can't really describe to you until you pick it up and do it yourself. So some people ask me why didn't I go with the T7, and the reason I didn't go with the T7 was because I like this right here. I like being able to flip this out, because I like to kind of be able to see what I'm doing while I'm recording. You know, I don't necessarily want to be glancing off all the time, but I do want to see what I'm doing while I'm recording. So that's pretty much just my follow-up with this camera. Now, I'm going to be making a few more videos about it. I want to go a little bit into more, I want to go deeper into the actual recording. I'm going to show you guys a little bit more about another feature that I really enjoy, which is the sync to the Canon app on the phone, where you can literally record on your on here and then transfer the video straight to the phone. To me, that is an amazing feature, because although, you know, we do have computers that we love, and although we do have other editing tools, with a device like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it just really is like the cream, like the piece de resistance, you know, to be able to shoot a video with this and then edit it on the Note without having to necessarily go to the computer unless I want something a little bit more intensive. So that being said, my 2 week, I can't remember the exact date, but just essentially, I just wanted to tell you guys about my new camera. I love this thing a lot, and you guys are going to definitely see a lot more videos using this thing. My last episode of all my specs, which I'll link somewhere above the video here, somewhere right up in here, it was shot completely with this camera. And I was just simply turning the tripod and just doing my thing. And it's just so easy to use, so quick and so fast with the autofocus. Just, God, I can go on and on about this camera. But I'm going to leave it there before I keep rambling. My name is Mike. I am the Don King of Tech. I appreciate you for coming by. I will leave a link down in the description below where you can pick up an SL3 yourself. Now, I will say at the time of this recording, that deal that I got from QVC is not there anymore. So it is just like any other QVC item. It is overpriced and marked up, and you don't want to mess with that. But there will be an affiliate link from Amazon down in the description below. If you choose to click that link, do know that there's a small commission that I make at no charge to you that will help the channel out. So if you like your boy and you like what you're seeing and you want to continue to support me, make sure you hit that link down in the description. Grab one of these for somebody you know that's a shutterbug. They won't regret it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.